Hi friends, today our topic is about top 7 interview questions and their answers. First important question is that tell me about yourself. It is most common question asked in any interview. Firstly, I want to say what points should you include in your self introduction. First, name, place, college and year, hobbies, participation, achievements and goal. These are the points which you should include in your self introduction. I have already done a video about the self introduction. Once please go there and view it so that you can know what is the point you should include in your self introduction. I will provide link in the description box. Next, second important question is what are your strengths? See some strengths which suits you. There are some points adaptability, hardworking, honest, flexibility, optimistic, fast decision making, self motivation. These are some points or some strengths which suits you. Include that in your answer. For example, I am hardworking and self motivated girl towards my life and my career. This is a short answer you may answer for this question. Next, third question, what are your weakness? Some of the interviewer will ask this question. They want to know whether your weakness will affect your job profile or not, or job role or not. Your answer should be positive. Let's see some points of weakness. They are impatient, more talkable. I can't say no when some people ask help for me. Get nervous when talking to strangers. These are some weakness for people. These are some points you can include in your weaknesses. For example, I can't say no for the people who ask help for me. This is a short answer you need to give. You should not include more than 2 points in your weakness. Next, fourth question. Why should I hire you? This is the most important question because they need to know what skills you have. So they will ask this question. Some points that you may include in this is your career goal, skills related for job. For example, I will do hard working for my organization and put my full efforts for the growth of the company. This is a short answer you may answer. Fifth one, tell me what you know about this company. They will ask this question to know whether you have researched topics of the company or not. Some points you should know before you going to particular company interview is research on the company. Know name of CEO, chairman and branches and their current projects. The short answer for this question is it is a one of reputed company. People feel proud to be work in your organization. I feel it is the best place to show my talent. Next, sixth question. What are your salary requirement? For this question, as you are fresher, you should not mention the particular number. So your answer should be, as I am a fresher, salary is not a priority for me. This is a reputed company where I can explore myself and can also improve my skills. This is the answer. Seventh question. What are your career goal? There is a short term goal and long term goal. The answer is, my short term goal is to get job in MNC company where I can utilize my skills and improve my career growth. Whereas my long term goal is to be in respectable position in that organization. These are 7 most reputed questions asked in the interview. Thank you for watching this channel.